Imagine waking up tomorrow and not checking your phone for your bank balance, not worrying about bills, not thinking about money at all now. Imagine the opposite. You wake up, and the first thought in your mind is, can I survive this month? Two completely different lives, and the only difference is financial power. Today, we're not just talking about money. We're talking about how money changes your thoughts, your decisions, your confidence, and your entire reality, from struggling to survive to controlling industries. This is your life. At every level of financial power. Artesis level everydas pro. You don't think about dreams. You don't think about goals. You think about problems. Rent is due. Food is limited. Bills keep coming. And the worst part, you don't have backup if something goes wrong. There is no safety net. Even a small issue like getting sick can destroy everything. Artesis level your brain survival mode. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're just overwhelmed. Because when survival is the priority, growth becomes a luxury. Now things improve. Slightly. You can finally breathe a little. You're no longer drowning, but you're still in deep water. Bills are paid most of the time. You can eat properly. You might even save a little, but deep down, there's still fear. Because, this stability is fragile. One emergency, one mistake, one bad month, and everything could collapse. So even when things look okay on the outside, inside, you're still anxious. Now life starts to feel good. You can go out with friends, buy things you like, enjoy small luxuries. You finally feel like, I'm doing okay, but here's the hidden truth. You're still in a system. You still depend on your income. If you stop working, money stops. So even though life is comfortable, you are not free. And that's the illusion of this level. This is where something powerful happens. You gain security. You now have emergency funds, savings for months or years. Less fear of the unexpected. You sleep better. You think clearer. You stop reacting and start planning. This is where people begin to understand money, or not as something to spend, but as something to build. Now life shifts again. You're no longer trapped. You have options. You can leave a toxic job, take risks, explore new paths, because you're not desperate anymore. Your money starts working for you, maybe through investments, businesses, side income. And for the first time, you feel a taste of control. This is where life truly changes. You don't wake up because you have to. You wake up because you choose to. Your time is yours. You travel when you want. You work on what you enjoy. You say no without fear. But something interesting happens here. You realize money solved your problems, but it didn't give you purpose. So now the question changes from, how do I make money? To, why am I doing all this? Now your presence matters. People listen to you. Your ideas carry weight. You can help others grow, build strong networks, open doors for people. Opportunities come to you. Instead of you chasing them, this is where you start realizing power isn't just about money. It's about influence. Now you're playing a different game. You're not following trends. You're creating them. Markets react to you. People study you. Artesis level. You influence industries. You connect with powerful people. You operate globally. This is real financial authority. At the highest level, money is no longer about lifestyle. It's about legacy. You're thinking, what impact will I leave? What systems can I build? How will I be remembered? This is where people create foundations, change industries, and leave marks on history. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Every level has problems. At the bottom, you survive. At the top, you find money comfort. Money gives you freedom, but money does not give you direction. That part is up to you. So don't just chase money blindly. Understand what each level gives you, and more importantly, what it takes away. Because at the end of the day, financial power is not just about being rich. It's about living without fear, having control over your time, and building a life that actually matters. Climb the levels. But don't lose your purpose on the way up. If this changed the way you think about money, make sure to subscribe, because the more you understand money, the more control you gain over your life.